Abesiga Mukama, balinga olusozi Sayuni, olutajulukuka, naye lunyerera emirembe gyonna. Those who trust in the Lord are like Mount Zion, which cannot be shaken, no, but endures forever. Abesiga Mukama, balinga olusozi Sayuni, olutajulukuka, naye lunyerera emirembe gyonna. As the mountains surround Jerusalem, so the Lord surrounds His people, both now and forevermore. Obakolenge birungi, hai Mukama abalungi, nababaline mitima egitali gyabukuse. The scepters of the wicked will not remain over the land allotted to the righteous, for then the righteous might use their hands to do